Dear students, welcome. Now we are going to discuss about coplanar parallel force system. Okay, what is coplanar parallel force system? All the forces act in the same plane and they are parallel to each other. Suppose F1, F2, F3. All the forces, three forces parallel to act in the same plane and parallel to each other. This force system, coplanar like parallel force system, because all the forces in same direction. In another one, all the forces act in the same plane but direction in opposite direction. This force system is known as coplanar unlike parallel force system. It is also parallel but unlike. Coplanar like parallel force system, unlike parallel force system. Okay. Now consider coplanar parallel forces. F1, F2, F3, F4, consider this coplanar parallel force system. Now how to find the resultant of this parallel force system? First you have to find the resultant force R. R equal to F1 downward direction negative plus F2 positive direction, y axis positive direction, and F3 minus F3 plus F4 upward direction, positive direction. So, and then next, how to find the position of the resultant over. How to find the position of the resultant on the AB. How to find the position? Moment of resultant of all the forces. Now take this R direction in this direction. R. Resultant R in this direction. Now the position of the resultant. In how to find the position of the x distance of the resultant. X distance of the resultant. How to find? Moment of resultant of all the forces about any one point. For example, take D. Moment of resultant of all the forces about point D. Moment of resultant about point D. Moment of resultant about point D equal to moment of resultant about point D equal to algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about that point. Algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about that point. Okay, moment of resultant about any one point. Maybe either C or E or F, any one point. Moment of resultant about any one point equal to algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about the same point. R into the distance x equal to F1 into about the distance. Take the distance as x1. Take the distance x2. Take the distance x3. Now R into x resultant about point you have to take resultant about the point D. So this distance about point D, this distance x. Okay, moment of resultant about the point D equal to R into x. R into x anti-clockwise direction as per the given direction, anti-clockwise for negative, equal to C F1 into the distance x1 about the point, anti-clockwise direction. So F1 minus F1 into x1 minus F1 into x1, and then F2, the distance from the point D, F2 equal to 0. So no moment in for the force F2. And F3 clockwise direction, F3 into x2 plus F3 into x2. And then F4 into x3 anti-clockwise direction. So minus F4 into x3. From that find the value x. Find the value x. So moment of resultant about any one point. Moment of resultant about any one point equal to algebraic sum of moment of all the forces about the same point. Okay. In next video, we are going to solve one problem in coplanar parallel force system. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.